Hello and welcome again to Sylpi Sophia Forge. And since we finished the double impaler sword breaker yesterday, we're going to start a um, new design. I can't say sword or a dagger, but this time it's going to be something different, something I've never tried before. So it's called a Katar. So I think it's something like a Fist Dagger. I think it originated in India. The only memory I have about Qatar is from the game Ragnarok. Oh, let me just switch this. So when I was younger, I played the Ragnarok and I had a character like an assassin. Sorry if my voice a bit hoarse because it's we had VGOK, so I'm kind of struggling now. So yeah, the Qatar that I remembered was from Ragnarok and an assassin class. So that's what we're going to make today. But because we are Sylpi and Sophia Forge and we like to make stuff here like hybrid, so we're going to make a Katar-Gun. So just like in our early phase, we sort of try to make a sketch. So yeah, I think we should create a new Blender file because the first one is kind of stale. It's got molds everywhere. I'm just kidding. So we're going to hide the default cube because we don't delete default cube in this channel. So let me first describe the Qatar if you don't know what a Qatar is like. So basically it's a fist dagger. So you know how a dagger looks like. Usually a dagger has no most dagger has like a handle that's if the dagger is placed like that, so horizontally the handle is like aligned with the blade, but with the Qatar, let's say we have the blade like this. The Qatar got like an extended attachment here, and then the handle is like perpendicular to the blade. So this is the Qatar. So this is what we're going to attempt to do today. But I have some idea of how I want it to look like. So I kind of want it to have like a shield thing. So let me roughly draw a is there like a mirror in here? Nah, there's no mirroring in here. So let's say we have the Qatar like that. Oops. Let's say we have the Qatar. My throat's really getting bad. I don't know why I even thought of doing streams. So we have the Qatar, just like just for an example. But my idea is to like have something like an extended shielding over here. So like um, the whole hand is like shielded. I don't know, I'm just making stuff. We'll see. So like if you are holding, your hand would go here, so the whole part here, while you're holding it from here, the whole thing is like shielded, and then the handle shouldn't be like straight like that, because I'm planning on turning it into a gun as well. So like let me delete some parts here. I think it's too big. Let me delete some part here. So instead of a straight handle like that, we're going to have it like inclined. Something like maybe like that, because it's going to have a trigger, although I still don't know. I don't want the barrel to be here, but yeah, I think that's also workable. Like maybe we could split the blade just like our old design. Or we could have it here at the top, like it's a pistol with a blade. It's either we put it here or here. So that's our options. So this one, it will look like our gun sword or gun blade. In here it would look different, but I am not yet sure how it would look like. I think this here would look better, but the trigger we might because if it's here, we could have the trigger around here. But if it's here, we can't have the trigger somewhere here unless we have like maybe the trigger is different. Maybe the trigger would be like using your middle finger. Yeah, I think that's one way of putting it. We'll get there. Yeah. So, like I said, this design is new to me. I never tried to make one. Unlike the first two um, sword hybrid we made earlier, the rifle sword and the gun sword gun blade thing. I had made it before. So for this one, it's it's totally from scratch. But that's fine. I mean, that's going to be interesting and it's going to be a challenge, but at least I could have something new on my collection because I kind of wanted to have a lot of different weapon design. So yeah. Anyway, I've heard that Qatars are like a status symbol for India. Like it's the equivalent. It's the equivalent of the katana for Japan and the kris for Southeast Asian. So I think yeah, the kris is like the the curvy sword thing, and of course the katana for the Japan. And I've heard that only prince and nobles have Qatar. Not quite sure about that, but if it's being used by assassin and Ragnarok, I don't know. Maybe I've heard it wrong, or anyway. Let's just start doing this one. So, like before, after we perform the rough sketch, we have like an idea of at least a rough idea of what we're after. We start blocking. So I'm gonna add. Although, quite frankly, I'm still not sure whether to put the barrel here or here, or even the blade. I mean, we could have like a blade that's a blade that looks like that instead of a symmetrical blade like that. We could have it like going like that. Why is my drawing like overlapping? So we have two options for our blade. One is going like that, a symmetrical blade. One is going like that, a symmetrical blade with the barrel over here. This one would have the barrel at the middle. Or a semi-symmetrical blade with a barrel here. So like this side is longer, this one's shorter. So yeah, those are my thoughts on how we would make this one. Which one looks good? If we make it like this, it will kind of look like the gun sword that we already made earlier. So I'm guessing I'll go for this one. So we have something different. Yeah, let me make a new blend file. So before going for a symmetrical design, I'm guessing we'll have the barrel here. Oops. We'll have the barrel somewhere here, but not quite. Let's do it on scale so that let me zoom this one. Because this is like 2 meters. Okay. Maybe let's just resize this one to like 1 meter. Should be like about half of this one. Yeah. So like double my ruler. Yeah, I think that's workable. It's like half my ruler. Whoops. So, like we're going to have the barrel somewhere here, and like we'll have the blade something like that, and another one, whoops, something like that. Let me just maybe reverse the whole thing. Let's have the short one here, and let's have the long side here. Uh-oh. It might look like I'm kind of trying to not to make it like the gun blades that we had earlier. I'm still unsure how the mechanism of this one would work. Would it be like a revolver thing? If so, we'll need something here. Oops. That's a very big... Um, let's see. We'll need to have like... Oops. Let me remove this part for now. So, after the barrel part, I think this one should be like connected to something bigger. Like after the barrel, there should be like a connection here. Yeah, the barrel would likely be up to here. And then we'll have the revolver part here. Or maybe higher. We're likely going to like reverse the position. Like it's going to be somewhere here. And then handle around here. I'm thinking it should be like triggered. The trigger would be different. The handle should be much more around. If you are making it like this, like the hammer is the hammer should be around here. This one's tricky. So like we've had it reversed. So like we have the trigger here. I mean the hammer, because it's supposed to be around here. To make a little sense of it, it should be around here. So if we are going to have the handle going here, I mean, we don't necessarily need to have like a trigger, um, like, because most of the time our idea for a gun have a trigger here. We don't necessarily need this one because for revolvers you can like trigger the gun with the hammer instead of having it here. So we could have the hammer as the trigger, like just flicking your finger. So if you have like the handle over here, just flick the hammer to shoot a bullet, something like that. Although you won't have like an automatic mechanism to get the cylinder to go to the next, like rotate. So, and you won't have two hands to operate this gun because likely you have both hands with Katar. Huh. Oh, wait a minute. We could have the trigger somewhere here. If we have the gun part like going like this, we could have it going like that. Let's make a different color. So if this is the main shell, we could have it go like this and have the trigger here. Perhaps we could even like merge this one to here. Although I don't know how the ease of use would be because your hand would you have 4 fingers, so like maybe your pinky finger in here, your ring finger in here, your middle finger here, and your trigger finger around here. So like you're gonna try and press the trigger button in reverse, something like that. So we could even have a trigger that's like this. So like it's going to be yeah, I think this is workable. Then of course we'll have the whole thing here. Yeah, I think I'm getting the picture. Okay, let's just dang. We've spent 30 minutes um, trying to design, but yeah, um, most design would take that much. Okay, let's go do the blocking. So we'll have the cylinder. Let's see. Let's rotate this one. Make it really thin. Make it a little bit longer. Shade smooth. Let's see, move it towards. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just save it now. Day 10. Let's enable normals. Let's edit it. Click here. Okay, where's my join face 3D cursor? I'm still not um, I couldn't make myself get used to using the razor, so okay. And then the plates, we're going to use cubes maybe. Whoops. Make this one thinner. Maybe 1.5. Yeah. I think we should have the 3D course or never mind. Let's just move the whole thing. Oh, I don't have A on my. Let's see. Um, I wanna move this one towards Y, something like, I'm gonna cut it off anyway, so I'll just move it around here. And then extend it along the x-axis, but not too much. cm blade. I'm looking at my ruler right now. I think I'll go with 30. 30 cm blade. Yeah. Then we'll do the same. So I'm gonna duplicate this one. Okay, let's just rotate it along the x-axis. Then apply rotation. And then make this one like a bit thicker. Like that. Okay, I think we have the blade. So I'm adding another cube. That's going to be the whole main frame of it. I guess I'll need to like extend this one. Oh, I kinda want it to be poking a little bit. We could make it a wee bit thicker over here, so it pokes a little bit like that. that we'll see. And then the body should probably be extended somewhere here. This one too. For now we're still on blocking stage, so I think we're gonna encounter some problem here. If the barrel is like too big, like we might have a structure problem. Let's try and move it first. See if we could fit in something like a bullet in here. Probably depends on how big the hole would be. Let's try to make the hole. Scale this to like 1. If that's the hole, we can still move this one towards here. Like that. Let me make a duplicate of this one and make it like 0.5. I think we can still make this one a little bit bigger, like 1.5. No, it's too much. let's move this a little bit to... Oops. Something like that. Now this one. A little bit more like that. Kind of have thin walls. Move it a little more like that. Almost touching this one. Yeah, I think this one will do. Looks different. Okay, I think we've done good on the planning. So this is going to be like that. And then we'll have like bars going that way. Let's try and add. I'm thinking of using like half the cylinder. Something let's round the number. I think we could this one's too. I think we could align this one to here. It's either we align this one here or this one here, but this one have the blade part here. Okay, let's just align this part here to here. So we're going to move this one can we like snap it? No, doesn't work. Oh, we could just type it here. There you go. So we've aligned this one with this one. Maybe we could have this one smack flat in here. Oops, not that one. Smack flat here. And then and then have this one like extend to like 30, like that. Oh, and later on we're going to like make this one like half like that. Meantime, let's duplicate this one, move it to the opposite side. Oh wait, there's no opposite side. Let's see how far this one should go. Somewhere around here. Let's make it a whole number so it's easier for us to work with. And then have this one aligned to there you go. So everything is aligned. And we'll just put caps here later. Let's see how the blocking is going. So we have the blades, we'll have the handle around here. We're going to model this one to look like um, why did I have like something going like that? Maybe I'm planning on extending the blade somewhere around here. We'll see. We're still on blocking stage, so let me add another cube. It's supposed to be this one's supposed. Wait, I think it's easier if we just duplicate this one, move it along the x-axis, make it thinner. Whoops. Thinner along the x-axis, like that. And we're going to model this one as our handle. So it's going to be going around like that. And maybe let's have this one move a little bit like that. Because it's going to be modeled like that. And what else do we need? I think we've covered almost everything except for the shield part. Let me just get something on my list here. Just adding shortcuts to my razor because I wanted to do a quick save like that. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm guessing we need one more piece here, like a shell that's going to protect our hand. Like if we are holding this one around here, what's a good shape for a shield. I'm guessing something UV sphere. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think this one should work. I'm just gonna need to cut a lot of stuff, like cut half of it. So these parts, we need to remove this part, and then remove some of these parts as well. But yeah, we are done with blocking. So I'm gonna perform last save and then save as next increment. Let's do some stretching. You should too if you're watching and like sitting for too long. Okay. Where were we? I guess it's time to do modeling, because basically we only did a lot of blocking. Yeah, maybe we should start renaming these. I have some ideas on what to call this one, because it's a let me just resize this one to 0.2, set the alignment to top. So this is a Qatar. Oops, can't type. It's my keyboard's too far. Qatar plus gun, specifically a revolver. So we could call it Qatar revolver or revoltar. So yeah, let me know on the comment section below, what would you like to call this one? Qatar revolver or revoltar? Revoltar. Dang. Big one, big two. The grip, barrel. Let's just call this frame. Uh-oh. What am I really? Oh, this one. Oh yeah, I kinda remembered we need one more part somewhere here, but I think that's going to be wait, oh, the wheel. Initially, I thought I should like make a um, a brace support around here, like going like that. Let me illustrate. Yeah, going like that. Just following the like that. So like it supports the it should support the hand, like I mean not the hand, the arm somewhere here. So like while you're holding it, there's a support around here, but I'm guessing it's going to be the work of this shield part. So yeah, we'll do that later. Let me hide the shield for now. Where do we start? I think we could start with the shield because we kept on hiding it, so we could start with this one. So what's the top view? The hand. So I think this part here, the lower half of it, is gonna be removed. Oh. Oh. We drew the shield part in reverse. Because how do you hold the gun? I think we made the line here incorrect. It probably should be like going in that direction. Because that's more ergonomic. Anyway. So if we are holding it like that, I'm guessing this part is going to be removed. This side here. So we'll have like a shell, and then I think we can cut this part, or maybe this part. We can remove this one as well. And then actually I think we could remove the whole thing here and then just extend this part going there, rather than try to like stretch this part. I'm gonna remove them and then just extend this part like that. So we have like sort of a shielding here. And then I think we could move the whole thing. Let me add another shortcut real quick. I'm going to move this one slightly downwards. Maybe -1, like that. But then I'll need to scale it a little bit. maybe like that. I don't think we'll need the half of it. Like, we only need to protect around this side. So we can remove these parts. Like that. Let's try and align this side towards the face. Thinking of pulling it down again, like to merge with this one. Let's see, like that. So kind of merge with. Yeah, I think this one looks better. Then a little bevel would add some nice touch to it. too much. Like that. Okay, we're getting there. And then probably we could add some design on the shell part here later on. Yeah, sorry, I just moved a wire out of my way because it's annoying me. I need to reorganize my wire because the power supply of my monitor tablet like it got busted, so I needed to replace it with a different adapter, and since it's like a quick fix, I was not able to like have it properly installed. Okay, maybe we should start playing around with this one now. Maybe first we apply scale on these two, and then let's see. I'm thinking of let's try it with this one first. Doing a loop cut maybe. Somewhere around here. And then I mean, maybe we could do more loop cuts here. Like that. And then let's maybe scale this along the Z, but lower the influence. Wait, let me move towards this part so I could see it better. Scale along Z. Like that. Maybe I need to add loop cuts here now. Something like that. Whoops. And then I would probably select these like up to here. I think we should remove some of these like that. I think I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, let's do it a different way. Let me remove the loop cuts first. Let's make it pointy first. So something like, I'm gonna save it because we're about to delve into something we can't undo later. Let's see. I'm gonna okay, let's do the limited proportional editing again, like we did before. Maybe these three. We're going to move it along the Y. And then hopefully we could still do a loop cut along this side here. Like that. Maybe just 4. Don't want to overdo it. Oh, we need to add these lines. Into a new group. For now, let's turn this one off. Let's just add a new one. Let's see how it will go. Let's see. So I'm going to work with this. It's too thin. Kinda can't see it. Because I want to only select the outer parts here. Like that, so it's easier to select. And then scale it along the z-axis. Oh, I think I should have added that part. Yeah, should have added that. Let's add it here. Create a new key shape like that, and then select these 4, scale it along z-axis. Something like that. Does it look sharp? Okay, let me just back up this one. Where's my duplicate key? And then I'm gonna apply and then perhaps move this one here. Wait, is there like a different? Like that, maybe. Not sure though if it's too thin. Trying to visualize if it makes sense. Dang. makes sense. Perhaps I could make this part thinner too. Because I think the Qatar's like not for slashing but for stabbing, so I think this makes more sense. So like we have thicker part here but very sharp points in here. Although I kind of forgot that this part will be like removed because of this one, which I should have applied first. So yeah, I might need to redo this side. Let's do a duplicate of this one, edit it, extend along the x-axis so we know the damage. Yeah, we'll be left with this part only. Unless I kinda attempt to let's see if we can move this one towards something like that. So like we still retain the sharp thing here, even if we apply this thing here that would make a hole. Yeah, I think that's much better. Now we'll need to apply the same on the other side. Dang. Okay, I think we did a loop cut first around here. Oh no, I think we did this side first. Oops. Oh, what's happening? I think we did this first. And then we performed a limited I think this is what I did. We move this one towards that, like oh, what happened? Did I accidentally created a loop cut? I mean, I probably extruded this part accidentally. Yeah, I did. Let's do a merge by distance just to be sure. Yep, there's no more extra vertices. And then perform the limited like that, but I kind of need to see the whole thing. Like that. And then we did another loop cut here. Then we selected these, added a new group, added another shape key, and then I think I've adjusted the first one a little bit, like that. And then yeah, I think I selected these side, no, not that one, this one, and then scaled it along the axis. Oh, I think I made a mistake here. Kind of forgot how I did this one. Well, there's a workaround here. Let's just copy this one, rotate by 180, and then we extend this one. Oh, it's 10, so let's just finish this part here that we're doing. So I think we could select these two and perform a move towards the Y. Oh, we don't want to affect that part over there. So we're just going to let's see if we could select these parts only. Like that. And this part too. Wait, what are these two here? Uh-oh. Didn't notice there's... What are these? Oh. There's a... there's a remnant of this part. Let's just delete that later. Meantime, let's try and complete this part here. I'm going to add another group, assign it. Like that. Then we select these two, move it along the Y. Oh, it's still being affected. What did I... Oops. I think I've accidentally selected the whole thing. So let me redo that. I kinda only want to select these parts here. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it works this time. There you go. Let me just view it from top view so we could line it somewhere here. Does it look right? Oh, we have the backup here. Yeah, I think we've done it. Let me just duplicate these two again. Select this one, select this one. Oops. Parent it. Oh no. Do the boolean and then parent it. Same goes with this one and this one. Boolean, parent. Oh, why do we have this one? There you go. And then these two. Okay, I think we are done with the blade part. And since it's already 10 p.m., we're gonna have to continue this one later. Let me just quickly fix this part. There you go. There you go. So this is our current progress. We have the blades. We have the barrel, although I don't know if we should keep the barrel at that length. We might need to like push it back a little bit, just a little bit, like not too much. Let's see, because I think it will affect the efficiency of the accuracy also if we have a shorter, though I don't think it matters since we are like since Qatar is like a very short range weapon, and so just adding some distance by adding a revolver to it would help mitigate troubles with very long range enemy. I think we're done for now. We still have a lot of modeling to do. So yeah, this is our current progress with the Qatar thing. I need to stop this stream now. And tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'll be able to stream. Maybe I'll just stream for an hour because we have plans for tomorrow. Yeah, for tomorrow evening we have plans, so I might do an 8 to 9 stream. And yeah, we'll continue with the Revoltar with just 1 hour tomorrow. I'm guessing we're going to be doing this Qatar Revoltar for 2 to 3 more sessions, since I'll only be doing a live stream for an hour tomorrow, so it's going to be like 2 to 3 more sessions. We'll see. So yeah, if you like these types of content, please um, subscribe to our channel and press like if you like it. Dislike if not, and make sure you leave a comment suggesting what types of content you want, like what to model, stuff like that. And we have a Patreon page. It's displayed on the screen. So all these Blender files that we make here are available on Patreon. So yep, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello. How's everyone? Dang. Yeah, I'm doing a Qatar with gun, so like a revolter. Yeah.